Hello everyone, I Rishikesh Rathore and my partner Adarsh Verma will be making a CSS framework under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. So basically we will be creating a CSS code library that can be used by developers to implement web designs without writing much CSS on their own. The framework will consist of responsive utility classes and widgets that the user can directly plug into their HTML files. We will be creating configurable designs of classes so that the users can customize the framework if they need. The complete framework would be based on Flexbox and grid-based responsive layouts.
So we will be creating the complete framework in Sass modules. For those who don't know about Sass, it's just a preprocessor that allows us to write CSS in a nested structure and a programmatic way, like with the usage of variables, functions, loops, etc., so that we can prevent code repetition. After writing, the complete modular code will be compiled down to a single CSS file that the users can integrate with their projects. Also, there are some dynamic components such as navbars, dropdowns, carousels, etc. that needs JavaScript to work. So we will be providing a separate JavaScript file with all the functionality of these components. The users can also use the static components and write the JavaScript on their own. Now, there might be a situation where the user wants to work with more than one CSS framework. So we will try to create unique class names so that they don't clash with classes of other frameworks. Many people prefer writing their own CSS, but there are some tricky components such as carousels and sliders that the users prefer to pick up from the internet. So we will be creating these advanced components in separate modules so that the users can just use these components without having the need to import the complete framework. There will be a complete documentation site where the users can look up for how each class and widget works and how they can use it in their project. Also, all the files will be downloadable from the site. We will also be creating a Node package to host it on NPM and so that the users who prefer Node can NPM install the framework. There will also be a CDN support so that users don't need to download the files. They can just use the CDN links for the CSS and JavaScript in the HTML file.
Let's have a look on production strategy. The framework would be extendable so that we can add more widgets and utility classes with time. Therefore, we will deploy the framework for use once the general purpose utility classes and widgets are created and add more features on the go. The framework will be open source so that anyone can contribute with more widgets. For creation of the framework, we will be using Sass, JavaScript and Node.js. And for the documentation side, we will be using a docs framework or a static site generator so that the site can be fast and SEO ready with all the content. And that will be all for a basic overview and workflow of the project. Thank you.